Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. How to layer your skin and skincare products the right way. There's no need to follow all the steps mentioned, just keep the product, you don't use it. Pro tip: a great way to remember the order of your skincare is to use your products from lightest heaviest. Use the watery products first and then the products with thicker consistencies. If your skin is not clean, then the products you apply will not be able to penetrate your skin and will not be as effective. It is imperative that you cleanse your skin well to remove the dirt, makeup, sweat, and product reduce. You can short build a fresh base that allows all your skincare creams and serums to do their best and work their magic. If you are double cleansing, use an oil based cleanser like a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm first and then follow it up with a water based cleanser. Toner. Toner refresh your skin and give it a boost of hydration. They help prepare the skin to best absorb the rest of your skincare products. A toner is not an essential for your beauty routine and it is definitely an extra step you can try if you're feeling like it. Serum are great to treat individual skin concerns like dark spots, uneven skin tone, dull skin, aging. It's look for serum with vitamin C or niacinamide as they help brighten skin and fight signs of aging all at once. You can also opt for ingredients like alpha hydroxide acids, glycolic acid, lactic acid, or beta hydroxide like a silicon acid or a combination of both as they work well to remove dark skin cells and deep clean your pores. Most serum are watery based, but if you're using oil based serum, consider it to be a facial oil. Acne treatment. If you are using an acne treatment such as a spot cream or a pimple patch, make sure to use it on clean skin before your serum and moisturizer. Check if your pimple treatment can be used during the day or first use it at night. Eye cream. If you use an eye cream, this is the time to use it. Eye cream give the skin around your eyes a kick of hydration. Keeping the skin around your eyes moisturizing is essential to avoid the early sign of aging from showing up. If you don't have any eye cream, don't worry. It's not an essential step and you can use your regular moisturizer around your eyes for a similar results. Just always remember to be super gentle when applying anything around your eyes as the skin there is thinner than the rest of your face and therefore more prone to developing wrinkles. Moisturizer. After serum comes your moisturizer. A moisturizer is key to lock in all the goodness of your skincare products. All skin type benefit from using a moisturizer, so don't skip it even if you have oily skin. Facial oil. If you want to use a facial oil, then it should go on after your moisturizer. to truly seal in hydration and moisturizer. Moisture from the previous step and keep them from skipping a facial oil is not an essential step in your skincare routine. Sunscreen. The most essential skincare product of all is your sunscreen. You must wear it every day, even if you are indoors and even if it is not sunny. The harmful rays of the sun are the causes of over 95% of skin damage. Sunscreen helps to protect your skin from the sun and therefore prevent skin danger. Make sure to use a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 13 or higher and try to reapply it through the day. And you can first time watch my channel, so please subscribe to my channel. The same order of skincare products work at night time too. However, you don't need to wear SPF during the night. Also, if you are wearing makeup through the day, make sure to remove it with a makeup remover before jumping it with your face wash.